Hi learners, this is Sir Bambi and welcome to my class. Sa video nito, we will learn how to insert footnotes and endnotes in Microsoft Word, and let's start. So what are the differences between footnotes and endnotes? Both are additional notes to what is mentioned in the text. Second, footnotes and endnotes include a superscript, yung number na maliit na makikita sa itaas ng word. And then, footnotes, yung sa footnotes, notes are located at the bottom or foot of the page. Yung footnote, yung notes ng footnote, makikita agad pagkatapos ng content sa bawat page. While endnotes, notes are located at the end of the section, chapter, or book. Hindi makikita agad yung notes pagkatapos ng content, makikita ito sa pinakahuling page ng document. And then, footnotes let readers see sources and notes as they read. Since yung footnotes makikita lang sa ilalim ng content. Endnotes reduce distraction on the page kasi ang endnote hindi makikita sa ilalim ng content. Makikita ito sa pinakahuling page ng document, kaya it will not distract readers. And then, footnotes could interrupt document flow since they take up page space. And endnotes, references are not as accessible and the reader must search for another page section to find the reference. These are the differences between footnotes and endnotes. Halimbawa ng footnote, ito po. May superscript tayo, the first superscript and the second superscript. And these are the information. Let's proceed to how to insert footnotes. First, position the cursor after the text where you intend to place the note reference mark. For example, ilalagay ko siya dito sa after sa word na epidemics. And then, go to the reference tab. Go to references tab. Go to the footnotes group. This is the footnotes group. And then, click the insert footnote command. Ito yung insert footnote command. Yan. And after that, type in the text for the footnotes. Magta-type ako ng text dito. Since yung footnote, since yung reference mark nilagay ko dito sa after ng word ng epidemics, first footnote ko is yung meaning ng epidemics. Ito po, may meaning na tayo ng epidemic. All I need to do is to copy paste this one. Yan, meron na tayong footnote. Kapag pupunta ko dito and i-click ko yung show notes, epidemics means a widespread occurrence of an infectious disease in a community at a particular time. Okay, that's it. Another, since yung content na to is nakuha ko sa isang site, lalagyan natin siya ng reference or source. Insert footnote. Yan, meron na tayong second footnote. At all I need to do is to copy paste the site. And then, yan. Meron na akong first footnote at meron din akong second na footnote. And that's it. So, kung napapansin ninyo, sa ilalim agad siya ng content. Nandito lang po yung footnote. And that's it. Next, how to insert endnotes. The same lang yung steps. First, Position the cursor after the text where you intend to place the note reference mark o tinatawag nating superscript. Dito ko siya ilalagay after the word corruption. Then go to the references tab. Ito yung references tab natin. Ika lang. Bakit nawala? Go to the references tab, and then go to the footnotes group, and then click insert endnote. Okay. Ayun. Corruption means Philippines. Sige. Corruptions means Philippines. Yan. Meron na tayong endnote. Nagkaiba ng footnotes at endnotes, yung sa footnote pagkatapos agad ng content sa bawat page. Dito agad siya makikita. Pero dito sa may endnote or endnotes, makikita siya sa pinakahuling page or sa pagkatapos talaga ng lahat ng contents ng document. Ito. Dito siya sa pinakahuli. Mayroon pong famous na site na makikita mo talaga yung endnotes. Let's go. Ang site nito ay Wikipedia. Ito po, makikita mo po yung superscript. Automatic, makikita agad yung reference niya or source. Yan. Kapag i-click natin to, pupunta agad siya sa endnote. Ito po. 1. So, now you know. Okay. And that ends our lesson about endnotes and footnotes. Don't forget to subscribe to join my class, like this video for your attendance, and hit the notification bell para hindi ka malate sa class ko. This is Sir Bambi, and you may now evaporate. Bye-bye!